Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss first chapter of class 11th, Fundamental of Business. In this video we'll discuss two concepts. First, type of activities, and second, concept of business. Further, from concepts of business, in this video we'll discuss characteristics of business. Types of activities. As humans, we are always involved in one activity or the other, like sleeping, eating, studying, playing, going for work, and so on. All these activities can be broadly classified into two groups: economic activities and non economic activities. Economic activities are those activities by which people can earn their livelihoods. For example, a shopkeeper selling fruits, a doctor attending to a patient and charging fee for consultation, etc. The various type of economic activities can be broadly classified into three groups, namely business, employment, and profession. Non-economic activities are those activities which are performed out of love, sympathy, sentiments, emotions, etc. Like a mother taking care of her child or a person doing charity work, etc. Concept of business. The term business literally means being busy. In a layman language, the term business refers to any activity or enterprise entered into with the aim of earning profits. Business is an economic activity which is concerned with providing goods and services to the society under the incentive of private gain or profit. The term business has been defined differently by various experts. As we can take an example, business is an institution organized and operated to provide goods and services to society under the incentive of private gain. In the words of L. H. Henney, business may be defined as human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods. Characteristics of business. In order to understand the concept of business completely, it is important to develop an understanding of the important characteristics of business, which are outlined as follow. One of an important characteristic of business is an economic activity. Production or procurement of goods and services, sale or exchange of goods and services, dealing in goods and services on regular basis, profit earning, uncertainty of return, an element of risk. These are the basic characteristics of business. Characteristics of businesses. Business is an economic activity means every business activity is carried out with the aim of earning profit which involve money. Production and procurement of goods and services, sale or exchange of goods and services for cash, dealing in goods or services on a regular basis, earning profit and uncertainty of return and elements of risk. These are the characteristics of business. Now we'll discuss in details the characteristics of business. First, business is an economic activity. Every business activity is carried out with the aim to earn profit. The profit earned by the businessmen serve as a source of income or livelihood for them. Therefore, business is essentially an economic activity as it is undertaken to make profits and not merely to satisfy one's emotions need, like that of charity and sympathy. For example, Mr. Rajesh is doing a wholesale business of stationery in Delhi. He sells them to retailer at a profit margin of 40%. Procurement and production of goods and services. If a business is carried out by providing goods to the society, the businessman may fulfill this objective in either of both of the following ways: undertaking the production of goods offered for sales themselves. Most of the business enterprises produce their own goods and sell them directly from their factory outlets. Maybe they procure or obtain the ready stock of goods from the other producer and then offering it for sales. Besides good, a businessman may also seek to provide a number of services like banking, transportation, insurance, etc. to earn profit. Next, characteristics of business: sale or exchange of goods and services. An activity can be classified as a business activity only if involve sale or exchange of goods and services. Any activity which involve production of goods for self-consumption, like farmer producing goods for self-consumption, not for sale, will not constituted a business activity. Next characteristic of business: dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Regularity in dealing is one of the important key feature of business activity. This is because one single transaction cannot be considered as a business activity even if it involves earning profit. For example, Vivan sell one of his old computer at a profit to his friend. Although he has made profit out of the activity, it will still not constitute a business activity for the very reason that Vivan does not engage in buying and selling of computer on regular basis. If this transaction had been carried out by an owner of a computer shop, then it would be categorized as a business activity. Next characteristic of business: profit earnings. Earning profit is the one of prime motive of a business activity. Although it is not only objective of business, but it is one of the important objective of every business. Every business seeks to maximize its profit as it consider essential for its survival, for its growth and expansion. Next characteristic of business: uncertainty of returns. The term return refer to the profit, financial benefits earned by a business in a relation to the investment made into it by the owner. In general, higher sales indicates higher return. Since a business operated in a dynamic environment which change very often, uncertainty is in every business. Consequently, there is a no surety of the return acquiring from a business, as its income cannot be predicted with utmost accuracy. Next characteristic of a business is element of risk. No business is said to be risk free. Risk is present in every business due to uncertainty associated with it as a result of happening of some unfavorable or undesirable event. The risks are related with certain factors like change in consumer taste in fashion, change in methods of production, increased competition in the market, fire, any natural calamities, etc. Suppose Farhan had to incur a huge losses in business as a fire broke out in his restaurant due to a short circuit. The next topic which we'll cover in next video is classification of economic activity, which is business, employment and profession.